This is a video that is coming from BJ Medical College, where these students were seen jumping off this building of the BJ Medical College as this plane crashed through the wall of this building and they were trying to escape. Well, this is yet another video now that has been accessed where students were seen trying to escape, and this is in the aftermath of the Air India 171 plane crash, where we understand the probe, of course, is taking place into what was the possible reason of this crash. But yes, number of videos now that have emerged so far. This is the latest that's come in, and it's a heart-wrenching video where these students, as we see inside the hostel, where it was just another lunchtime break that they had, and they were eating their food until this plane crashed through the wall of the building. All right, my colleague Shiv Arur continues to be with us on the broadcast here. Shiv, another heart-wrenching video that has been accessed here. Students clearly seen jumping off the building, trying to escape.
Truly horrifying, video clips coming out one by one, as the days wear on. This video from near the BJ Medical College hostel, which was directly hit by the collapsing Air India flight. Clearly, these buildings are on fire, and when a building is on fire, people have absolutely nowhere to go. So I'm not surprised that these students were trying to climb out of that building, and dangerously so, because the fire spread really fast. You saw the damage that was inflicted across, several of those buildings on that particular medical college campus. Over 30 people were killed, in that particular campus alone, and therefore, clip after clip that's coming out. Yesterday we saw one from the Meghani area of Ahmedabad, where you saw the woman wailing. You saw the lone survivor being able to walk out. Those were the first images of him there. Now you've got these images of students fighting for their lives, trying to get themselves out of a building that has just been struck by a Boeing 787 of Air India. All of these will be part of the investigation. We must realize that as people put out these videos a few days after the crash, it's very likely that there will be visual evidence that might help the crash investigation in some way or the other, and that's the reason why it's important to track each and every one of them.
Absolutely, Shiv. And my colleague Aishwarya Jain also now joining us on the broadcast. He'll be getting us more on the probe that is underway at the moment into the Ahmedabad plane crash tragedy. He's been tracking all the details there. Aishwarya, another video, of course, that has been accessed, and that could, prove useful for the authorities, along with the other piece of evidence also that has been accessed by NDTV also about the RAM turbine that was apparently activated after the engine failure. Authorities, of course, would try to piece together these evidences. What more can you tell us about the investigation so far?
So, these buildings are the hostel of BM Medical College. The undergraduate students used to live over there, and we've been told that approximately 5 to 6 buildings were just nearby, and these are escape videos of those students who are trying to escape from their rooms, from the balcony. Some are trying to jump because just on the just one building away there is a massive fire that is taking place, and because there is no area to come, because when we visited the entire site, there was one common exit route for all of these buildings which was connected, which was completely engulfed in fire, and therefore the reason perhaps there was no passage to exit. And now the students in this video can be seen who are trying to jump from the balcony where their rooms are, and they are taking the help of some of the long clothes, bed sheets to jump, and a few of these students escaped as well. I have been speaking to the fire officers, to the guards over there who are just stationed outside, and also many other locals who helped these students. They were a lot in numbers, as being told to us. 30 of them were injured. Till now, 6 undergraduate students confirmed by the BJ Medical College have died, and many were, sent to the, trauma center who were injured. But now, many such videos will come out certainly, and one of that we are putting out, from which, the hostel building these students are trying to escape to save their life from what many couldn't because they were trapped with 5 hostels completely coming in under the fire when the impact happened and the plane crashed into that hostel.